Okay, are you one of those producers that every time you add delay to your tracks, it always just sounds messy, muddy, and uncontrolled? Maybe you're starting to lose elements in your track as you start to add them and things aren't sounding clear and crisp anymore. If this sounds like you, then I've put together a 2-hour in-depth tutorial showing you how I approach delays. In the tutorial, I'll be showing you 2 rules that I give myself so that I'm able to experiment without everything else falling apart. In the tutorial, I'm going to be using Ableton Echo, but you do not need this to learn from the tutorial, as a lot of the principles and fundamentals can be put across to any delay plugin of your choice. The tutorial has visual and audio demonstrations to give you a clear picture of exactly how I approach delays and what is happening with the delays. I'll be showing you which delays I use and why. I'll also be showing you how I mix them and how I add delays to things such as vocals, leads, basses, effects, and many other things in the track. I'll also be showing you what I don't add delay to. So if you find that your delays are messing up your tracks, making them sound muddy and unprofessional, then be sure to head over to allanmorrowstudios.com and grab your copy now.